I'd like to make a video about the Energizer USB lightning cable. I had this for 2 months and they are really quality USB lightning cable. They cost about $15 or $20, it depends on which country you're from. So I'm going to test it now on my device. I apologize about the cameras, I'm using my iPhone to record this. Again, a very quick response. So that's pretty much what the Energizer USB lightning cable. So I do recommend it if anybody want to get a good USB lightning cable, get the Energizer version or the Apple genuine version. So yeah, do not get the third party because they won't last long. A couple of months down the track, it's not responsive. I do recommend that you get the Energizer USB lightning cable for your iPhone or any other device for Apple there, because they are really good. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.